What's up, guys? Jacob Rothenberg here. Today is June 2nd. It's beginning of the month and also relatively still the beginning of the weekend. Filming this right now. It's around 9:30 here in California. Man, I'm so inspired from what's going on in the Blueprint. We have people making 10,000 a month off of just audiobooks. Not even with paperbacks or ebooks. We've got one of the Mickelson twins, I believe it's Christian, who is making over $10,000 a month off of audiobooks, and he didn't even put any money towards producing new titles in May. Absolutely insane. And I have no problem plugging out other good publishers out there. He's definitely levels beyond me. I can't even compare myself to him with how he's doing. So definitely try to learn from everybody. I mean, I'm not trying to be protective of my content. I mean, listen to me, listen to Emeka, listen to Ali, listen to the twins, listen to anyone and everyone who can teach you something. Because that's what it's going to take for you to reach that kind of level. And you can bet your ass I'm definitely going to be paying attention to every single video that the twins put out and any pointers that they can give. Not only in the YouTube channel that they have, but also within the Blueprint where they're participating. So aside from that, things should be rolling well into June. I just placed an order for 2 ebooks. Well, 2 books in general. The first one I paid $300 for. It's going to be like an experimental type of keyword. It's a keyword that is super duper popular right now. But there's no book out on it. So 2 things can happen. Either no one's going to buy the book because maybe no one's interested in buying a book for the keyword, or it's going to absolutely explode and make me instantly rich because it's based on something so popular. There has to be demand on it. And maybe in a few weeks I can reveal what that is. But for now, I gotta protect my keyword and not give out what the content will be about. Second, I just placed an order literally a few minutes ago before filming this video for another book. It's going to be 20,000 words. I paid $545 for it. No joke. It's the most I've ever spent for producing a book. Not even counting the cover, formatting, the swaps, whatever. Just to get the book written is going to cost me $545. It's going to be a top quality book for 20,000 words. So it's going to be a full-length book. It's going to be worth people's money to buy. So while it feels painful to spend the money on right now, it's going to be an asset that will multiply what I put into the cost of the book and provide me a long-term income. I'm hoping. And that keyword I'm actually going to give out in my course, the Elite Keyword Mastermind, at elitekeywordmastermind.com. I just wanted a head start on it. It's so good, I couldn't just give it out and not publish a book on it myself. So, spending $800 in 1 week just for books is a little bit painful for just 2 books. But that's what it takes right now. You can't produce low quality books on Amazon with 30 pages. It's just not going to fly unless it's for like children's toys. So that's really what it takes. Still trying to quit my job. It's going to happen. I'm not even trying anymore. I could do it right now, but to be open and candid with you, there's just some things I'm trying to pay off. So, along with that, living expenses are high, as you can tell here. You know how much this pool costs? $500 a month with the HOA fees here. So, it's expensive to live in California, needless to say. But things are going to roll along. Going to try to get my Amazon income up to past what I'm making with my full-time job, which is enough to afford $500 a month for an HOA plus living expenses. So that's going to be the journey that it takes to make it, and you're going to have to do it too if you really want to make it. It's not just about making some supplementary income at this point anymore. I'm trying to change my life, and I should stop saying try. It's going to happen. I'm doing what it takes to change my life using Amazon, so stay tuned.